where fortunes sparkle and vanish. A whisper. Gold on the move. Slick cars, private meetings, flawless alibis. A $25 million sparkle draws predators, but the twist isn't where you expect. April 17, 2023. Flight from Zurich touches down. Inside, 400 kilograms of gold, plus cash. Paperwork says secure. Reality says missing. The largest gold heist in Canadian history. Investigators hunt a mastermind, connect the maze. Early this year, a suspect flies in from Dubai. Arrested on landing, Arslan Chaudhary, 44. Sentence, 4 years. Restitution, $22 million. In Dubai, a different con unfolds. Posing as ultra-wealthy, they bait the owner. $25 million in a single stone. Dubai CID tracks every move. 3 suspects arrested. Diamond recovered. It never leaves the UAE. Another frontier. Exchanges, not vaults. February 21st, 2025. 30 minutes. Gone. 1.5 billion siphoned from Dubai-based Bybit. Investigators flag Lazarus Group links. FBI confirmation follows days later. Proceeds fuel weapons programs, reports say. Different targets. Same playbook. Speed, story, disguise. Dubai counters with tech and rapid response. Airports tighten seals, audits, identities. In the race for riches, vigilance is gold.